Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a tuna sandwich bread. So we need a tuna can, century tuna. Hindi po siya sponsored. So we also need mayonnaise and then some cheese. Yan. And of course, yung bread natin later. So let's open this can of tuna and lagay natin dito sa bowl. And we will mix the ingredients here lahat. Ayan, so lagay na natin. So be careful. Then we'll pour in some mayonnaise. Ayan. So mix natin guys. Ayan, haluin natin yung mayonnaise. Until hindi natin makita yung white. So hindi ko na drainain yung mga oil. Because I want to keep it that way. And ayoko kasi masyadong tuyo siya sa tinapay. So kung satisfied na kayo, okay na yan. But if you want to add some more, go for it. You can put some salt and pepper to taste. But sa akin, okay na yan. Yan. So let's mix it well, guys. Then we're going to add some cheese. Kung mas diced siya, better. So I'm going to put some here. Ayan, talagang pinor in ko na siya. And then mix it again. Ayan. So minsan you can put some onions and pickles. But sa akin okay na to. Just a simple tuna spread. Yan. So mag-init tayo ng tinapay sa oven. So kinuha natin yung bread sa oven. Ayan, medyo na toast na. Tanggalin na lang natin yung sunog part. So ayan guys, in-slice ko na yung tinapay and nilagay ko na yung palaman sa loob. How do you like it so far? So ready to eat na siya. That's it guys.